Today we are taking an in-depth look at the 2027 Bajaj Riki C4005 Petrol Rickshaw, a three-wheeler that is creating a lot of buzz in the commercial vehicle segment. If you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable rickshaw for daily earnings, this review will give you all the details you need before making a decision. Starting with the design, the Bajaj Riki C4005 has a modern yet practical look. The front features a large headlamp that provides excellent visibility during night driving. The indicators are clear and well positioned, while the overall body feels solid and durable. The strong metal panels are designed to withstand daily commercial use, rough roads, and heavy loads. The vehicle is compact enough for city traffic but spacious enough for passenger comfort. Under the hood, the Riki C4005 is powered by a petrol engine designed for smooth city performance. The engine provides good low-speed pickup, which is important in traffic-heavy areas. It starts easily, and the engine noise is well controlled, reducing fatigue for long working hours. The mileage is competitive for its class, which helps drivers save on fuel costs while maximizing earnings. Comfort is another important feature. The driver's seat is supportive and designed for long hours of operation. The steering feels light and responsive, making it easy to navigate through narrow streets and crowded city roads. Passengers also get adequate legroom, and the seating is comfortable for short to medium trips. The suspension system is effective at absorbing bumps, providing a smoother ride even on uneven roads. The braking system is reliable and ensures better control in traffic. The strong chassis construction adds stability and durability, making it a dependable vehicle for everyday use. Overall, the 2027 Bajaj Riki C4005 Petrol Rickshaw is a value-for-money option, offering a balance of performance, comfort, fuel efficiency, and reliability.